So, in my last video called Video Requests, I was asked to do a burping tutorial. Well, I'm going to do that. But I have something to ask you guys. I feel like rapping right now, and I'm going to make a video of me rapping just because I'm bored. You should comment below on what song I should do before I start this burping tutorial. Okay, so, yes. Now, I'm going to do this burping tutorial. And I had to resituate myself, sorry about that. I usually need to sit up straight because if you're laying down it really doesn't work. And so, what you do is take a bunch of air in your mouth and push it down to your stomach. Once you got it all in your stomach, you're gonna try to open up your throat like, and then usually you try to push it out, but you kind of gotta have pretty good stomach muscles for that. Other than that, you just take some air, and when you feel that bubble in your throat, yes, push it out. But you gotta try to get like a lot of air in there. So I'll demonstrate some burpees. I just call them burpees. Okay. Yeah, that was kind of gross. And it tastes like Coke. Like Coca-Cola, not Coke.
Who's that?
Nothing, I'm just talking to myself, Hannah.
Let me see.
I'm making a video, okay? This is my baby sister. Her name is Hannah. Now go away.
Come in your picture.
Oh, Hannah can burp too. See? I don't know. If she can do it, I'm sure you can. It just takes a little practice. Okay. That was a kind of long one. Oh, that was just air. Like, sometimes it just comes out of air, but like if you open your throat and keep it open, it'll just come out as air. If you, hey. Okay, so if you just stop. Okay. Okay. So, if you just open up your throat and keep it open, it won't come out as a burp. It'll just come out as like air, and it'll feel weird. If you like open it just so, stop. Just so like the air starts coming out, and close it, it'll go and it'll make a burping noise. That was a cute face, by the way. I went Yeah. Are you burping? She just burped in my back. Oh, hiccup burps. You go like this, and you suck in the air, and you just go. Sometimes they come out and sometimes they don't. It depends on, I guess, how wet your throat is. I know it sounds kind of gross, but it can't be too wet, otherwise it won't work. But if you really want to get like the burps out of your stomach, drink. That's the best thing you can do. Drink like, I don't know. It does me good if I drink Mountain Dew. I don't know if you guys like Mountain Dew or not.
Money.
But yeah.
Money.
I want money.
Money. Money. Oh.
Okay. Stop it now. I'm trying to make these a video for these people.
Who?
YouTube.
Can you give me a pizza guide, please?
No, not right now. I'm trying to burp. Sorry about the cleavage, guys. Stop! Okay. I'm gonna lick you. Did you just lick me? Okay, this is the end of the video now. She just farted and it's gonna get awkward, so
Pussy.
oh god. She named her octopus Pussy and she doesn't even know what the word pussy means, but here you go.
Okay, watch.
Stop it! You're gonna mess up my hair.
Okay, watch me. Watch me. I burped. Watch me.
Pussy burped. Let me eat the pussy. Okay, I'll see you guys later. I just ate a pussy. So, yeah, goodbye. Anyways, I hope you like this burping tutorial. Deuces. Because I'm sexy like that. Oh, yeah. Until my next video, goodbye.